Today we will be learning about the gender of nouns and definite articles in Spanish. All nouns in Spanish are masculine or feminine nouns, and just like in English, nouns are also singular or plural. Masculine nouns usually always end in O. Feminine nouns usually always end in A. Here are some examples of masculine nouns. Notice how all these nouns end in O. Libro, perro, gato. Here are some examples of feminine nouns. Notice how all these nouns end in A. Pluma, oveja, mochila. Now let's learn about definite articles. Definite articles are basically a fancy phrase for identifying the four words in Spanish that mean the. We have the masculine singular version of the, which is el, and the masculine plural version, los. Next, we have the feminine singular word for the, which is la, and the feminine plural is las. The most important thing to remember when using these definite articles is that they usually always match the noun in gender and in number. For example, el libro, la mochila, los gatos, las plumas. We have to use el with libro because libro is a masculine singular noun. And so you have to use the masculine singular version of the, which is el. If you look down at las plumas, we have to use las with plumas because plumas is a feminine and plural noun. So we have to use the feminine and plural version of the, which is las. Vamos a practicar. Match the following definite articles with their noun. Remember to use the chart below for help. Great job! If you need any more practice, check our Edmodo class site. If you have any other questions, make sure you ask me at the beginning of class. See you next class.
Created using Powtoon.